everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to take Unit 10 Disappearing World Part 1. Let's start with our new words. Number 1, overfishing. Taking too many fish, including young and female fish. Air pollution. The air becomes dirty and unhealthy. Climate change. The high temperature on the thermometer and melting ice cap. Acid rain. Rain carrying acid pollens. Nuclear arms. A weapon used atomic reactions. The ozone layer. The protective layers of ozone gas which blocks out the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Factory accidents. Accidents that happen to workers due to dealing with machines. Disappearing animals. Animals lose their habitat and food sources through pollution. Global warming. The increase in temperature of Earth's atmosphere. Greenhouse effect. The trapping of the sun's warmth in the local area. The new words again: overfishing, air pollution, climate change, acid rain, nuclear arms, the ozone layer, factory accidents, disappearing animals, global warming, greenhouse effect. Now, we are going to take present and the future in the first conditional if. She will go to the university if she passes her exams. We put if in the middle. After if comes the present simple. Before if comes the future, will plus verb infinitive. If we put if at the beginning of the sentence, after if should followed by present simple, then the other sentence will be future will plus verb infinitive. If you study hard, you will get high marks. If she feels happy, she sings. We start with present simple, after if, then the other sentence present simple, because it's a fact. If she feels happy, she sings. When she feels happy, she sings. So we can remove if or cancel if and put when instead of it. If has the same meaning as when. Unless equal if plus not. So if you don't study hard, you want to get high marks. We can cancel if and don't. We can cancel the negative and put unless. Cause unless equals if not. Unless you study hard, you won't get high marks. Now, if you don't finish your homework, you won't come with us. He wants me to put unless. Number 2, you'll catch a cold unless you are warmly dressed. He wants us to put if. Drink lots of water when it gets hot. Put if. The answers. Number 1, unless you finish your work, you won't come with us. Number 2, if you aren't warmly dressed, you will catch a cold. Number 3, if it gets hot, you will drink lots of water. Now, we are going to take the student's book. Let's read Kevin. We pollute the air when we do things which produce poisonous gases. Unfortunately, it is caused by ordinary everyday activities. Driving a car, for example, or heating a house. It's difficult to stop doing these things. They are things we enjoyed, do or need. Michael, we need to stop cutting down trees, but the companions who are responsible refuse to do it. People cut down trees to build houses, to start farms, and to get wood for foil, for fuel, and for furniture. Loss of forests leads to global warming, poverty, and loss of beauty. Jordan, The world is getting warmer and warmer. This is because carbon dioxide CO2 stays in the air. It's like a blanket and it won't allow heat leave the earth and go back into space. Beth, we waste too much water and we pollute our rivers with deadly chemicals from factories. In many parts of the world, people continue to use rivers as rubbish dumps. But we love, buy, and consume things. We hate give things up. Therefore, we use far too much energy and too many resources in our day-to-day lives. We use too many electrical machines and far too much plastic. Plastic is really bad because it's made from oil and it's difficult to get rid of. Plastic rubbish can also harm animals. Now we have finished part 1 of Unit 10 Disappearing World. See you next time and goodbye.